find it.
Over there?
That's some pretty big antennas.
Yeah.
Bring him a little bit closer. Not a lot closer. Let's just see. Wow, he's big. Wiggle him.
The antennas look like
Okay,
leaves.
that's enough. Let me see.
The antenna
Wow,
looks
he's
like,
going crazy.
The antennas looks like leaves.
Yeah, they do kind of look like leaves that are fuzzy.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah?
They are leaves.
Kind of fuzzy.
Yeah.
Are you going to let him go?
Let me go, let me go. No, that's your web.
No, but are you going to let him go?
No.
Why not?
I'll just show Mark.
You want to show Marty? We'll have to wait then. I have a video. Are you touching his legs?
No.
He says, I want to hold on to your finger.
Only babies hold on to my finger.
Oh, well, he's not a baby, that's for sure.
Let's go show Mark.
How about you let him down somewhere? Where should we let him go? Should we let him go on the screen?
No, I want to show Marty. Yeah.
Well, we can show him this video.